You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly in Spanish. It's famous. It's a surname, Spanish surname. It's also a place in Argentina. Luján. Because you have that accent on the second syllable, you can see that, well, the stress is on the second syllable. Luján with the h, okay? Luján. Now, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can replace the h sound with an h sound. Luján. Luján. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.